Hello, dear students. Today we are going to start our first chapter, which is Are You Free? The word freedom brings to our mind struggles of our great leaders to lead India to independence. It reminds us of the years when our country was a slave to the Britishers. They looted the wealth of our nation and used the natives of the land as bonded laborers. The Britishers behaved as if they were the masters of the country. Time has changed. India has won independence. Now we are a free nation and every citizen in the country is a free individual. As the first para clearly states that what was our country before independence? We all were enslaved by Britishers. Here, enslaved means we were servants of the Britishers. They tortured us and also native of the land as bonded laborers. But finally, after a long time of battle and struggle, the great leaders and citizens of our country fought against this cruelty. And finally, we got independence. And after independence, the time changed, and now we are the master of ourselves. Yet, how free are you? A person can be a slave to a system or an organization when he blindly follows its dictates. Dictates. A religious fanatic who has self motivates with narrow religious beliefs becomes obsessed with hatred for other religions. A truly religious man sees the truth of all religions, which is love and brotherhood, and this enables him to lead a truly happy life. But I want to ask you a question that still are you free? I think no, because there are many people who still blindly follows the system and are leaders as already. I have told you in the starting lines that before independence we Indians were the slaves of Britishers, and after a long time of independence still we are a slave. A person can be a slave to ignorance. The Britishers could successfully rule the country for long because they were able to keep the majority of its citizens ignorant and illiterate. Since independence, our leaders have adopted various means to spread literacy. Literacy removes darkness and lights up one's life. It is the gateway to knowledge that drives away ignorance. It also makes one conscious of one's right and duties that help him to live a richer and independent life. The more knowledgeable a person is, the greater contribution he makes to the growth of himself and the society. Do you know this time who made us enslaved? This time, the real culprit is illiteracy. A person can be a slave to ignorance. Because of this, the Britishers were successfully ruled to the country because they keep the majority of citizens ignorant and illiterate. This was because an illiterate person blindly follows his master and he or she does not oppose any of the order given by its master. But after independence, as leaders cannot leave India in such a miserable condition because more than the Britishers, this illiteracy could ruin our whole country. So, the fight with the illiteracy, the leaders adopted various means to spread literacy and to remove illiteracy, darkness, and lights up one's life. And also, literacy makes a person conscious of his or her rights and duties towards their society.